and today's video is Selena inspired, so let me explain what I'm going to be doing. So basically I'm going to be doing a makeup look that Selena wore, which is this one, which I'm trying to recreate it. All of the stuff I'm just trying to recreate. It's not gonna look exactly the same, you know, just like inspiration, trying to look the same, kind of, you know, trying. And then I will be doing a outfit like hers, one that she wore, and then I'm gonna try to take a picture like one of hers. And luckily she has a picture with this eye makeup look, so I'm gonna try to take the exact same picture. So if you want to see how I got this look or just want to see this journey, then please keep watching. I haven't concealed or primed my face, so I've just done my eyebrows, so let's continue. Sorry if I sound sick, I'm getting sick, but we're still gonna do this. So I'm priming my face with the e.l.f. face primer. This is the mattifying one. And then I'm gonna go over my nose with the Benefit Professional primer to minimize the appearance of pores. So here I'm finishing up my eyebrows, but I'm gonna do that off camera. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, check out one of my videos. I'll link it down below, but beware, I don't like that video anymore. Anyways, next I'm applying a base to my eyelids for the eyeshadow. This one is by NYX, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with the beauty blender and a brush. But for the actual eyeshadow color, I'm going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm getting this dark pinkish, and I'm gonna start applying it to the outer part of my eyes and like start patting it inwards like you see I'm doing here. Then make sure you put most of the product onto the outer part of your eye because that's how Selena has it. It's not even that bad. Look it. It's not that bad in real life. So if you see the picture, she has a lot of the pink going downwards to her inner eye corner, and that's what I tried doing, and I kind of messed up, but it's okay. I end up fixing it. Just make sure you blend it downwards, like into your inner eye corner. When blending the edges, make sure you really try to make it round because hers isn't really like a sharp defined edge, it's more rounded out. To cut my crease, I'm using the LA Girls Pro Concealer in Porcelain and this little brush, and then just kind of cut half of the inner corner. Why am I listening to this? Because we have pink eyeshadow, when we put the concealer, it's going to smear like a light pink, so just keep adding layers so that it gets white. Okay, so don't set it. I'm taking this light pink right next to the first shade we used, and it's a little bit shimmery, and I'm just going to use that to kind of blend out the edge, like make it kind of fading into the white. Then I'm going to set the rest of my eyelid. You could use any face setting powder, but this one is by Wet n Wild. To make the little wing, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer because I feel like it's a little more creamy than the LA Girls one, and a little brush, and I'm just gonna make a wing, kind of like if you were doing eyeliner, but you want to stop this one once you reach the dark pink on the outer part of your eye, and then fill it in with the same first color that we used. And so that you don't see that harsh end to the concealer, just go ahead and pack on some more dark pink on the outer part of your eye. Sorry, I don't know what's happening with this eye. Like, look at it. Like, look how freaking crusty it is. I don't know why it's being like that. This one is nice and smooth, and then this one wants to be crusty all of a sudden. So this eye is just not working with me, but it's okay. So this is me trying to figure out if I want to wear lashes or not. You could if you want, but hers look more natural, so I just went ahead and put on a lot of mascara. Now it's time for the actual face, so I'm just getting this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 220, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. And then I'm taking this MAC one that I found, and it's really light, so I'm using it as concealer, and it has like a lot of full coverage. Like, I don't know, my sister had this and I just like used it. So of course I like blending everything with the flat top brush, and then I go into it with the beauty blender to remove the excess foundation and any lines that were left with the brush. And then I'm putting more concealer because I'm extra, and this is the LA Girls Pro Concealer in Yellow Corrector. Anyways, then I'm gonna set that concealer. I'm gonna just bake for a little bit while I bronze / contour. Lately, I've been using the Femme Couture Mineral Effects Baked Bronzer in Warm Bronze, and this has been my favorite thing ever. Blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink blush, and I've said this before, but just make sure that you're careful with it because it's very pigmented. Caught me. As for highlight, I'm using the Carly Bible palette, the deluxe edition one, and I'm taking the white one at the bottom, and I'm applying this to my cheekbones with a small brush, and then I will blend it out with a bigger brush. For my nose, I didn't want to use the same one, so I'm mixing these two pinky ones, and it's so pigmented, I love it, but I'm adding that to my nose. For my lipstick, I'm using the Too Faced Melted Chocolate lipstick in Chocolate Milkshake. I love the formula for this. And then to make it a little shiny, I'm adding the Fenty Beauty gloss. After that, I'm going to just go ahead and set my face, and you're done with the makeup look. So now that I did my makeup like her, I'm gonna try to take the photo like her. I should have cut my hair for this video. I've been wanting to cut my hair shorter for a really long time already, but I just haven't had the time. So I'm gonna try to take the picture on this camera. I was charging the batteries. It says charge the battery. I discharge it. Okay, it says full. Why is it being dumb? So I'm gonna just try to take it on my phone, but it's gonna come out ugly, I bet. I took like 300 pictures, maybe like 200, maybe like 230, around there. And I limited myself down to like 50, and that's like very difficult. Now it's time for the outfit, so let's get to it. If you could see that this is green, I'm sorry, I will put on a black one, but it's not the same. So that was it for today's video. Sorry, I'm kind of like not that loud. Like, it's kind of late. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning and I have to pee. But thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and leave me video suggestions on Freenamily, whatever that that website is called. I'll put the name right here. Thank you to whoever requested this video because they were like, Selena inspired, and I was like, yes, I will, and I did. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.